What if I told you that you don't need a big investment, a rich background, or even a fancy setup to start earning money online? In today's world, all you need is a smartphone, internet connection, and the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to share real, practical, and proven ways to earn money online. No scams, no fake promises, only methods that actually work if you stay consistent. So, watch this video till the end, because one of these methods could completely change your financial future. Introduction. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about online earning, digital growth, and smart ways to build income streams from home. Today, we are talking about real online earning, methods that beginners can start in 2026, even with zero experience. Let's get started. YouTube channel, long-term passive income. The first and most powerful method is starting your own YouTube channel. You don't need expensive cameras. Many successful creators started with just a mobile phone. Choose a niche. Islamic reminders, tech tutorials, AI tools, online earning tips, motivation, gaming, education. The key is consistency. Upload at least 2 to 3 videos per week. Focus on good titles, attractive thumbnails, clear audio, valuable content. Once you reach monetization requirements, you earn from ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links, digital product sales. YouTube is not a get-rich-quick method, but if you stay consistent for 6 months, you can build real income. Freelancing. Sell your skills. The second method is freelancing. If you have any skill, you can sell it online. Examples: video editing, graphic design, thumbnail creation, voiceover, translation, social media management, content writing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile and offer your services globally. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Begin with low prices, get positive reviews, improve your skills, and slowly increase your rates. Many freelancers earn in dollars while working from home. Affiliate marketing, earn commission. Affiliate marketing is one of the smartest earning methods. You don't create products. You promote someone else's product. When someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. You can promote Amazon products, digital tools, hosting services, online courses, apps, and software. You can share affiliate links through YouTube descriptions, Facebook pages, WhatsApp groups, blogs, Instagram. The secret is trust. If people trust you, they will buy from your recommendation. Selling digital products. Digital products are powerful because you create them once and sell them multiple times. Examples: ebooks, online courses, Canva, templates, presets, study notes, AI prompts. Once created, you can sell them on Gumroad, your website, social media, YouTube audience. This is called scalable income. If you truly want to increase your income, focus on learning high-income skills, such as video editing, copywriting, AI automation, website development, digital marketing. Instead of wasting time scrolling social media, invest 2 to 3 hours daily in skill learning. In 6 months, your life can completely change. Important warning. Now, listen carefully. There are many fake apps and scam websites promising easy money without work. If someone says, earn $500 daily without doing anything, it's probably fake. Real earning requires skill, consistency, patience, hard work. There are no shortcuts. Mindset for success. Success in online earning depends 80% on mindset. Most people quit after 1 month, but successful people stay consistent. Keep improving. Learn from mistakes. Don't stop when views are low. Don't stop when sales are zero. Consistency beats talent. Final motivation. Remember this. You are just one skill away from financial freedom. You are just one idea away from changing your life. Start small. Start today. Stay consistent and never give up. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful content like this. Comment below which method you are going to start. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.